So, imagine you see a mouse running across the street in front of you, glowing bright green. Anyone might think to themselves, God, there must be a radioactive leak. However, someone studying biology in particular could think to themselves, that mouse looks like he's escaped from a lab working with GFP, Green Fluorescent Protein. GFP was first discovered by a scientist named Osamu Shimomura in the 1960s, who was working with bioluminescent material from jellyfish, named A. victorius. Initially, he was working with a protein that glowed bright blue. However, when this protein interacted with calcium ions, it glowed bright green. It wasn't until years later, however, that it was discovered that this green protein could be used in biological expression. Sorry. And so, the advantages of using GFP in biological expression include the fact that GFP is a very small protein of 238 amino acids, so it doesn't really interfere with the molecular methods. Secondly, GFP, sorry, I'm losing my train of thought. GFP,
That's okay.
sorry.
For the moment.
I'm actually getting very nervous.
Okay, so they started using the blue.
So GFP was then used in cancer research. Basically, you would tag cancer cells, and then you can track metastasis. In particular, my favorite use of GFP is by an American company, and they would produce glowfish. And basically, these fish are used to track pollution in rivers, and eventually what ended up happening actually was that they got derivatives from GFP of all different kinds of colours, and then they tagged all these fish with these different colours of to track pollution. But in the end, what actually ends up happening is people they think they look better in aquariums, and so you end up with all these colourful zebrafish, red fish, yellow fish, blue fish being sold in aquariums rather than tracking pollution in the environment, which is just very typical of today's society. Anyway, so yeah, even though I got very flustered there, the point is that we can take things from biology, like all around us, and we can turn them into things that are useful in cancer research or even just as simple as pets. Thank you very much.